Hello students, today you're going to create a TechYES account. TechYES is a website you're going to use that actually keeps track of the projects you're doing, the global warming projects, and any other project you do. And then the government actually checks it to see how much you're learning technology. So it's really seeing how students are learning technology in schools, especially in Alliance. So it's not just for us here at O'Donovan, but it's actually every school in Alliance. So you're going to sign up. Make sure you write this down. We've had issues where kids, I ask you to create an account and password, but you don't write it down, or you write it down just anywhere randomly and then you lose it. So I suggest strongly that you open up your science notebook, or you can also, because you're going to fill that up soon, you can open up your homework agenda. You should carry that one every day, and then write down the stuff that you're going to sign up your username and your password. So click on sign up, and then put your name here. So let's say your name is Ashley. You have a couple Ashleys, and your last name and all the username and all these other informations. Now for the username, for your username is going to be your first name and last name, but there might be somebody in the school that already has that or left the school who used to have that. So write your first name, last name, squished together, and then let's just write the year that you are in, so 2014. And then what says student technology leader, don't click that. The STL's already created accounts. Unless you're an STL and you haven't created an account, come talk to me. But don't click this. Your student ID is your lunch number. So your lunch number is like a 5-digit number. Type it in. Put your real birthday. TechYES, it's okay if you put your real birthday. You're supposed to. Your grade, of course, 6th grade. Your email, your blast delay. If you don't have a blast delay, you can leave it blank, but you still can create one. Try to put your blast delay, because if you ever forget how to your password, or you lose your homework agenda or something, it lets you look up it sends you an email with your username and password if you do put your blast delay here. But if you don't have one, skip it. And your password should be the same as your Gmail. I'm going to say that again. Use the same password that you use to create your Gmail, the one that you use for your blast delay Gmail. Then type it in again. And then this is called a CAPTCHA. Just so you know how it works, these numbers here, for me it's 1807, but for you it might be something else. It's just to make sure that nobody is just like a fake, because sometimes there's computer programs that can make trillions of accounts just to make a website go down and crash. If you can't read it, because sometimes they're weird or they're blurry, just keep on clicking on this until you can read it. And it might be numbers, it might be letters, it might be a combination, and then you just type it in there. So make sure you click on that if you can't see it, and then create. When you're done with create, now here I'm signed into Ashley's account, Ashley Alba's account. So just wanted to show you what it looks like on your end. When you're logged in, once you use your username and password, go to join class. Then look for me, add me, and then your period. It should show you the list of classes here. And then join class. And then when you're done with that, on my end, it's going to ask, should I add that student to the account? And if once I add you, it's going to show you this button that says new project. Again, you won't see this button here that says new project unless I approve you for my class. So you have to kind of, once you join the class, you have to wait. And when I see that you've joined it, this button will pop up once you click on the reload button. So just like once you're signed up, just move on to the next step on the blog. And then when I keep checking back on it, and then keep pushing reload in a couple minutes, and then you'll see it pop up. And then you can click on new project, and then just do this page today. It's very simple. All you do is you just write the name of the project. So we're doing a global warming PBL, which means project-based learning. It's just like a project. A description. So we are making a PowerPoint or a Google presentation, and then just finish it like 1 or 2 sentences of what we're doing with the project. Choose the class you're in, and then for technologies, I want you to click on you have graphics, which are pictures. You're using the internet. It's a presentation, and it's for science, and that's it. And that's all you have to do today. If the video was going too fast, remember to rewind it, and then watch it again, and then make sure you finish this. Try to get this finished today, and don't forget to push on create project, this button right here, because if not, it won't make it for you. It won't save it. If you're not sure, rewind the video or raise your hand and ask for some help. Have a good day.